Hello, welcome back to another bit of numeracy with Mr. Cameron. And today we're going to be looking at subtraction within 10 using a number line. So first of all, let's look at our number line. You can see I have a number line here, just like any you've seen before, and this one goes from 0 to 10 with a little line for each number in between. So to start my subtraction, I need a sum. And the first sum is going to be 7 take away 2. Now, normally, if I was with you, we would point at the numbers together, but you can't see my finger pointing at the screen, so I'm going to get my little helper, the rabbit, to come and be the pointer. So the rabbit is going to be on top of the number that we are talking about. So the first one is 7, and now we need to take away 2. So the rabbit actually needs to jump backwards to find out the answer. So the rabbit's going to jump back 2 spaces. Let's count that together. 1, 2. So now the rabbit is on the number 5, so that must mean 7 take away 2 makes 5. Let's check that. Oh yes, it's right. 7 take away 2 equals 5. Let's have a look at another sum. So this sum is 4 take away 3. And the rabbit is already at the number 4, so let's point at the rabbit and jump back with him to go and find our answer. We're going to go back 3 spaces. 1, 2, 3. So 4 take away 3 must make 1. Good job. Let's move the rabbit up to our next number, which is going to be 9 for 9 take away 4. So this time you're using your finger to jump back 4 spaces because you're taking away 4. So you start at 9 and you only start counting back each time you hit a new number. So let's put our finger on top of the rabbit on number 9 and let's go back. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're now on the number 5, which means that 9 take away 4 makes 5. And that's what 9 take away 4 equals 5. Let's do one more together. This time we're going to be starting at the number 6 with our sum 6 take away 6. So put your finger on the rabbit and let's jump back 6 numbers. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we're on 0, so 6 take away 6 equals 0. 0. Well done. Now you're going to have a go on your own of answering some subtraction sums. So I'm going to give you the number line and the rabbit at the starting number, and I'm going to show you the sum above it. But I am going to show you a 15-second timer up in the corner here, and when I start that, some music will play, and you've got 15 seconds to work out the answer yourself. So put your finger on the rabbit, get ready to go. Your 15 seconds starts now. And that's your time up. So let's check your answer. 8, take away 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 equals 3. Well done if you've got that right. Here's another one for you. 10 take away 2. Your time starts now. That's your time up. So let's check your answer. Let's take away 2. 1, 2. And the answer is 8. Good job. Last question. 6 take away 3. Here you go. And that's your time up. So 6 take away 3 equals 1, 2, 3. That's right, the answer is 3. So now you can use your whiteboard and pen to make your own number line. And maybe somebody at home could write some sums at the top of the board for you, and you can use your number line to answer those. Or you could ask somebody else some questions in the house and they could answer them for you. Once you've had some extra practice, you can use your number line on your board to help you with today's work. Have some fun with your maths, and I shall see you all again soon.